Hello everyone and welcome back to the Paul Mitchell YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you all how I got these fresh springtime waves using my Neuro Guide curling iron. So step one, I always have to go in with the heat protectant, so I'm going to be using my favorite flexible style hot off the press thermal heat protectant to protect my strands before styling. And as I mentioned, I will be using the Neuro Guide titanium curling iron to create this look. This is my favorite curling iron to create effortless beach waves. And to begin, I'm just going to section off my hair using a claw clip. So now I'm just going to begin wrapping small to medium sections of my hair around the barrel and then releasing into my hand for about 10 seconds, and then I will release. And as you see, it just creates a really effortless soft beach waves. This tool has really cool teeth to hold the hair in place when wrapping it around the barrel, and then you can release it straight into your hand to allow it to cool before releasing to reveal the final wave. I'm just going to continue that same method until I have completed the curls around my entire head. So this tool has a lot of cool innovative features. It's fast, precise, safe, stress-free, and travel-friendly, and has a customizable auto shutoff for added safety. And now I have really pretty, effortless springtime beach waves. This is definitely one of my favorite hairstyles that I'll be rocking all season long and into the summertime. And now I'm going to go in with my Neuro finish to lock in my style. This will keep my waves in place all day long. I really hope that you all enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you did, and also subscribe to see more. See you all next time. Bye guys.